Hello everyone, my name is Wei and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make images generated by Stable Diffusion look more like Midjourney's art. We'll be using several LoRAs and you can combine them in different ways to get various effects. I've built workflows in ComfyUI to combine these LoRAs, and I've also created workflows to compare the different LoRA combinations, which I'll show you later. These workflows generate images for comparison, so you can see the differences between the LoRAs and their combinations. You can also use these LoRAs in Automatic 1111 or Focus. Let's check out some of the LoRAs we'll be using today, which are available for download on ComfyUI. I'll put the links in the description below the video. The first LoRA is Midjourney V6 style. It mimics the effects of Midjourney V6. The second is Midjourney Mimic, which can imitate the effect of Midjourney V5.2, adding details and enhancing the color and depth of the background. The third one is XL More Art. While it can't imitate Midjourney, it improves the overall art and enhances details. The fourth is Detail Tweaker, which can enhance or minimize details in an image and can be used with other three LoRAs. The checkpoint I used in this video is the Albedo-based XL, which is a bit more artistic than other models and aims to catch up with Midjourney. You can use other checkpoints too. To find out which checkpoints work better with your chosen LoRA, check out other user-generated images on ComfyUI's LoRA page. Click on your favorite image, and on the right side, you'll see the checkpoint used. For example, the checkpoint for this particular image is RealBase XL. Once you've downloaded the checkpoints and LoRAs, you can use them in ComfyUI. Now let's go to ComfyUI. As you can see, the simplest workflow requires only 4 nodes. The main nodes here are efficiency nodes, which you can download from ComfyUI Manager. This node enables the simultaneous use of multiple LoRAs, letting you set a number of LoRAs to be used at the same time. In some cases, efficiency nodes might not work well, so let's look at another simple workflow. This one adds 2 nodes to ComfyUI's default workflow. If you can't find these nodes, you can install the ComfyRole Studio node in ComfyUI Manager. This node allows up to 3 LoRAs to be used simultaneously. If that's not enough, you can connect another node with the same name. Let's compare the 3 LoRAs that can enhance the art effect: Midjourney Mimic, XL More Art, and Midjourney V6 Style. Let's look at the portraits they generate. As we can see, the portrait generated by Midjourney Mimic is very saturated. If you want a more natural effect, you can reduce the weight of the LoRA. Here, I've set all LoRA weights to 1. Midjourney V6 Style and Midjourney Mimic have similar vintage clothing styles, while XL More Art is closer to Stable Diffusion style. Comparing a portrait without LoRA in the center, you can see it looks more plain, with clothing closer to XL More Art. Let's look at a few more portraits. And let's look at some flora, animal, and landscape. Overall, Midjourney Mimic changes the style the most, but can distort colors and details. You might need to reduce the weight when using it. Alright, from the comparison, you can see the differences between the 3 LoRAs. So, what happens when you combine them with different weights? There are many options here. I usually set XL More Art to the highest weight and Midjourney Mimic to the lowest, because XL More Art is the most stable but least impactful on style. While Midjourney Mimic greatly affects style but is prone to detail errors. I've tried setting Excel MoreArt to 0.8, Midjourney V6 style to 0.5, and Midjourney Mimic to 0.1, and it works well. Let's look at the pictures. The left one is generated by Excel MoreArt. The middle one combines Excel MoreArt with Midjourney V6 style, adding more background elements. The right image combines all three LoRAs with Midjourney Mimic at 0.1 weight, resulting in richer artistry and detail. Looking at another image, from left to right, you see the woman become more prominent, and the artistic sense increases. Alright, so we've already covered how to combine those three LoRAs, but there's one more we need to try. Detail Tweaker Excel. Let's see how it works. Here's the setup. Set the weight of Midjourney V6 style to 0.8, Midjourney Mimic to 0.2, and Detail Tweaker to 3. Now let's look at this picture. The leftmost image is generated by Midjourney V6 style alone. Adding 0.2, Midjourney Mimic makes the colors richer. In the rightmost picture, we added Detail Tweaker, which really enriches the details. You can see the girl's clothes and backgrounds become more intricate. Let's check out another picture. You can see how, from left to right, the motion in the image increases. Feel free to try other combinations and different weights. You can also experiment with other checkpoints to see if the results match or even surpass Midjourney's. That's all for this video. If you enjoyed it, please like and support the channel. See you next time.